Greetings and salutations, Conrad Weiser. Let's talk today about mileage reimbursement and the fastest and easiest way to submit your form to the school district. And since this is something that I myself have to take care of, we're going to work through it together. So, you head to the district website, you click on Staff Resources, scroll down to find the Staff Resources folder. When I open this folder, I can see right here a CW Employee Travel Expense Sheet. This will open up a Google Doc, and if you're not signed into your district Google account, it will ask you to sign in. And you'll notice that I can't do anything here because it's a view-only document. You don't need to request edit access. All you have to do is go to File and click on Download, and download it as a Microsoft Excel. And when I do that, it drops down, and I can just double-click this, and it will open up whatever version of Excel you have. Now let's fill in my form. So you put in your name, you put in your building, you put in the month, in the year. Oh no, what happened to my year? All I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this a little bit. And it came in as a number. So I'm going to delete that. Date of your trip. Anytime you see those number lines appear, you just have to expand the columns a little bit because it just needs a little bit more space to do what it needs to do. In the place where you went, find the miles that you traveled, and make sure that you account for your to and from. You'll notice that it automatically filled in the information for you. 0 for room, 0 for other costs. Now I have my mileage form written here, and you would add in other dates. Once you have your form filled in with this information, and if you are submitting it physically, you can merely go to print, and then print it, and then sign it, and send it up to the business office for them to take care of what they need to do. If you are going to do it digitally, you can also print it into PDF and put your signature in. I'm going to just print mine. So I'm going to go to click print, and I'm going to change the printer to the Follow Me Printing. I have this information here. I'm going to click print. And now when I go to the printer, assuming that I remember my PIN code or my ID, I can print this out, sign it, and send it up to get reimbursed. That's it. The tricky parts are always when you see those number signs. You saw it happen to me. Just expand your columns a little bit. So you just have to grab the little line, make it just a little bit wider. Then all of that information will fill itself in. And then you can sign it and send it up to central administration, and they'll take care of it from there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.